You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more interesting vocabulary and expressions many mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are two different ways of pronouncing it in English. In English it's often said as viva, viva, with a schwa sound in place of the a, viva, now because in Italian it is said as viva, viva, with a clear a sound. It is also often and sometimes said in English as viva, viva, or viva, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support, and thanks for it, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.